Welcome to this edition of Psychic Tips, Tricks, and How-Tos, where it's all about helping you unlock your psychic potential. The topics of today's vlogcast is about spiritual cleansing, how to remove negative energy from your life and from your environment. My name is Dar Payment, and I'm a professional psychic medium and channel who is passionate about sharing with you how to accelerate your psychic abilities. Now, when it comes to increasing your psychic potential, spiritual cleansing is really important. Well, how important is it then? Excessive negative energy can wreak havoc on your life and your environment if left unchecked. And negative energy can weigh down on your mind, body, and soul like an anchor, drowning you with fatigue, depression, fear, exhaustion, relationship problems and issues, and even can be the precursor of serious health issues. So it's really vital then to learn how to remove this negative energy right now. The truth is that spiritual cleansing is vital to your energetic hygiene. Spiritual cleansing, removing the negative energy from your energy body, home, work, or environment, should be a regular part of your personal energetic hygiene. And therefore, it should be a must, just like cleansing your physical body. Negative energy clings to your aura like plastic wrap, just like saran wrap. And just as you need to clean your furnace filter to keep it running smoothly, you also must clean your energetic filters. So what I wanted to do is share with you some DIY self-spiritual cleansing methods that will go a long way to keeping you squeaky clean. The first is prayer. A simple prayer to God, divine source, or the angels to cleanse and clear your energy body works wonders. My favorite way to do this is to pray to Archangel Michael daily, asking him to cut away and cleanse any negative energies that may have attached to me throughout my day. The second, and this is also one of my favorites, is an Epsom salt bath. Not only is a nice hot bath medicine to the mind, body, and soul, an Epsom salt bath effectively cleanses your bioenergetic field, or your outer auric layer. As you fill the bathtub with hot water, place a half cup of Epsom salts into the tub. Add baking soda and either some fresh lavender or essential oil of lavender to your bath. The third is body sweeping. And this technique is used regularly by many energy medicine practitioners during their sessions with clients. And just like sweeping away dust and debris off the floor, body sweeping brushes away stagnant energy on top of the skin. To perform body sweeping on yourself, brush your hands downward, starting with your head, down to your neck, shoulders, arms, fingertips, torso, and all the way down to your toes, just as if you're taking a shower with no water. And imagine all the stagnant energy falling on the floor and going down a draining tube to be recycled back into the center of the earth. The third is white light protection. Simply imagine yourself engulfed inside of a huge bubble of brilliant white light. This simple technique is fast and it's very effective, and it has been used throughout the centuries. Now let's talk about spiritual cleansing of your home. I have 4 ways that I particularly enjoy that are very effective all the way around. And the first is smudging. Smudging your living environment with sage on a regular basis helps to remove stagnant energy buildup in your home. Open all the windows, use a fireproof container, say a quick prayer blessing, and then light up the sage bundle. Then, starting from the middle of the room and working outwards in a clockwise manner, fan the smoke with your hand or a feather, visualizing all negativity being absorbed and cleansed by the smoke. My second favorite way of giving my home a really beautiful spiritual cleansing is with the use of herbs. Many fresh herbs such as lavender, peppermint, basil, sage, cinnamon, and rosemary have protective qualities. Place the herbs of your choice in a decorative dish and fill it with sea salt and set it out to absorb the negative energy in the room. A third great way of spiritually cleansing your home is by the use of music. Just like music, your etheric body has its own vibratory signature, and certain forms of music have been used in ancient healing practices for realigning and centering the spirit, and they've been doing this for centuries. You can play some chakra clearing music or listen to the tones of Tibetan singing bowls and allow that vibration to fill the rooms of your home. Or you can simply play any music that relaxes and soothes your soul. The fourth way to give your home a really nice spiritual cleansing is by the use of holy water. Sprinkle holy water throughout your home as you pray to the divine for cleansing and protection of your living space. Sprinkle the water on all doors, windows, walls, ceilings, doorways, and floors, or wherever your intuition leads you. Now finally, I want to talk about the spiritual cleansing of your office or your office space. Many of the techniques mentioned in the above section on spiritual cleansing of the home will work in an office environment as well, except perhaps for smudging for obvious reasons. One of my all-time favorite methods for cleansing an office environment is to simply visualize a huge energy vortex swirling throughout the entire office, sucking and absorbing the stagnant energy and draining it to the earth where it can be recycled. Paying close attention to the hygiene of your energy body will go a long way towards removing and balancing the negative energy from yourself, your home, or your work environment. Remember to change your energetic filter on a regular basis and enjoy the lightness of life. If you enjoyed this vlogcast, like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to give you more tips, tools, and tricks and how-tos to help you live the psychic life. This is Dar Payment wishing you blessings, love, and light.